Imagine a process controller that combines power, flexibility, and functionality with unmatched versatility and best-in-class ease of use. Introducing the F4T process controller with Intuition, the only 1/4 DIN controller featuring touchscreen technology and composer software. The F4T is the first process controller featuring a 4.3-inch high-resolution touch panel display, multiple personalization options, and an intuitive user interface that shortens the learning curve and reduces operator error. Combining the functionality of multiple devices, the F4T is an integrated system that reduces complexity and eliminates the need for separate components, saving your company time and money. The F4T enables total process and machine control through Watlow's robust array of advanced features, including algorithms for PID, cascade, humidity, compressor control, and more. Composer graphical programming software, multiple PID sets, TrueTune adaptive control algorithm, and 40 ramp and soak profiles. Easily connect the F4T to your system and access data through a variety of communication protocols. The F4T rapidly adapts to the changing requirements of your thermal system. With field-pluggable and scalable I/O, a wide library of hardware options, and programmable function blocks. An optional flush mount adapter provides a safe and clean look. Easily upgrade from your existing Series F4 controller, and the F4T fits in the existing F4 panel cutout with backward-compatible Modbus registers. The F4T is built to last and backed by multiple agency certifications. Implementing the F4T with Intuition is quick, easy, and will save your company money. To learn more, log on to watlow.com/F4T.